Is YouTube TV free with Roku? No, it is not. YouTube TV is a subscription-based live TV streaming service that costs $64.99 per month, and it is not free, even when accessed through a Roku device. While you can download the YouTube TV app on your Roku player or Roku TV to stream its content, you still need an active YouTube TV subscription to use it. Roku itself is just a platform that allows you to access various streaming services, including free and paid ones. For example, Roku offers free channels like the Roku channel or Pluto TV, but YouTube TV is not one of them. If you want YouTube TV, you'll need to sign up for it separately and link your account to the Roku app. While Roku makes it easy to stream YouTube TV, it does not provide any discounts or free access to the service. You'll need to pay the standard subscription fee to enjoy its live TV and DVR features. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.